again. It's a rich thing.
Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's doing fine and well, having a great day. Welcome if you are new. We've got Varnail monthly box. So this is the October box. I'm really excited for this one because it's going to be the Halloween box, isn't it? Let me just see. I've not even checked if my camera's set up correctly today. I've just pressed record without checking. Right, so like I always do, quick sneak peek, and then I'm going to slide it off and we'll go through it. Oh, so what are these? And for anybody that is new, guys, I've got a massive 25% off code for Varnail. You can't use it on these boxes, but I always do say everything, well, not everything, but a lot of the items in these boxes are available to purchase individually, and my code works on individual items, just not the monthly boxes, because these are already heavily discounted. My code doesn't work, but 25% off code is fantastic. And they have got a range of hemorrhoid gels now, I believe. So what are these? I'm not sure if this peels off. I mean, yeah, you can peel that off, or you could just practice on... No, I think you practice on this side because that's got the black print. Right, so yeah, you practice, peel this off and practice. I like that. So I would imagine whatever gel you put on there, it's going to peel off because it's such a smooth, shiny surface. Nothing's going to stick to that. It's just going to, so you can practice to your heart's content. I like that. So they're like coffin. Then we've got more like almond shape. Cool. And then we've got kind of more natural short square and oval. I like these. These are fantastic for beginners to practice the nail art on. They're cool. So they can just stay in there and they'll store really flat in your drawer. I like them. Right, I always start with stickers. I don't know why I started with them. So let's go. So these are kind of thick, almost like 5D. And they almost have that kind of melted metal or solder. I don't know if anybody remembers doing soldering ironing. Soldering ironing at school. So it looks like little dollops of solder or melted metal. I like that effect. That's quite cool. I do like that. Oh, these are cute. I've not seen these before. Pink and black. Look at this plant with the eyeballs. That's cool. Pink pumpkin. I nearly said pimp. Pimp pumpkin. They're cute. I like them. And then we've got evil eyes, holographic, and lightning bolts. They're cool. I like them. And then we have got black and gold. I don't know if that's showing up very well on camera. Black and gold kind of snakes, hearts, cobwebs. Bit of a mixed bag, that one. Okay. Right, shall we go on to the little charmy bits? Oh wow, look at these. Let me get one out. So these are little balls, but they've got a skull on them. Look at these guys. They're cool. I do like them. Oh, sugar. I nearly swore, but I didn't. I'm trying not to swear anymore, which is really difficult when I'm around my mother, because she's a right sweary bum. Every other word's a swear word. I like them. They're nice. They're quite big, but I like them. Right, we've got... So I'm not going to take these out the packs because you can see them. These are really small. So we've got two little spiders with a black rhinestone. Oh, two rhinestones. One for the body, one for the head. And then we've got cobwebs, and they've got a little black rhinestone in the middle as well. They're really small. I like them. They're cute as well. Look at these. Look at the colour of these. I haven't got anything in this colour. They shift like a purple, green, orange. These are perfect for Halloween. Oh, I've got to use them. They're so pretty. Super, super sparkly. I don't know where Varnail get their rhinestones from. but they're always super sparkly, really nice quality. Ooh, I do like them. Right, then we've got these. Oops, sorry guys, my phone's tinkering away. I can't put it on silent because I'm waiting for a phone call, so I do apologise if it's pinging away. I thought I had these, but these are not. These are bigger than what I've got and much better quality, and mine don't sparkle. So these are like bony hands, aren't they? So we've got a gold one with AB crystals, and then we've got like two gunmetal grey ones. Are they the same? Yeah, they're like gunmetal grey with black crystals, and then we've got a silver one with just crystal clear crystals. They're cool. They're curved as well, so they're going to sit nice and flat on the nail. I do like them. Right, then we have got, ooh, I've got a feeling that tonight's gonna be a good night. I think these might glow in the dark. Let me just check. I got a feeling. Ooh. See, got a song in my head now. I'm not gonna get it out. Have a look. Oh yes, they do. They glow really bright. Oh, I like them. Got to do something with them. So we've got moons. Oh, we've got bats. Like just circles. They could pass as the moon as well. Heart stars. And in this one we've got bigger stars and bigger moons. I like these cute little bats. Some of them are really thick and some of them are really thin. I like them. I don't have any of them. Right, and lastly, for the kind of rhinestone type things, we've got these. Oh, look at this little pink ghost. That's adorable. Oh, we've got another one, even smaller one, look. Little bat wings. Oh, that's cute. We've got pumpkins, eyeballs, black cats, gravestones. What's that yellow thing there? Oh, it's a moon with a star. I like them. I love this ghost and the little tiny one. Very cute. I like them. Right, then we have got some, I like this green. It's like a slime kind of green. Ultra fine iridescent green. I wonder if they glow in the dark. I don't think they do. Well, let's try. They do glow in the dark. Some glow more than others. I love this blue and this blue. This one doesn't seem to glow as well, but ooh, got to do something with these. I like these just as regular glitters. They're really nice. Really good for sugaring. Ultra fine iridescent. Okay. Right, we have got a brush liner, 12mm. That is literally all I use. 12mm brushes. Oh, it's a good one. Look how long that metal ferrule is. Can you see the metal bit here that holds the brush? Don't know if you're going to be able to see it. Let me put it against my skin. How thin is this? Very nice brush. I like the finish on it as well. I love that it's got a lid. And it's like a pink, bluey, silver ombre. Very nice brush. I do like that. Right, next we have got a couple of stamping plates. So we have got this one. I like these because they're really small. All these different pumpkins and all these little bats, haunted houses. This is a cool plate. And then we've got the ghosts and the cats, all the little skeleton men, witches. This is really good because they are all small little images, and depending on the theme you're going for, if you're going for a pumpkin theme, ghost, black cats, skeletons, witches, bats, cobwebs and you know, spiders, it's got it all, and it's got them all in little images. So I do quite like this plate. It's a good one. And then this one is just full of all different cobwebs. I like that as well. All these have got little tiny spiders. Okay, yeah, I do like this one. I do like this plate. One last thing before we look at all the gels. We have got a stamping polish in there, I can see. So this has got to be a ring. Oh wow, look at this. I like that. So it's just a hand. That's cool. I like that. I don't actually think I've got any Halloween rings. So I'm really happy with that. That's very cute. Right, let me put all this away and then we'll go through the gels. And oh look guys, we've got a white glow in the dark gel polish. Oh, we're gonna have to do something glow in the dark, aren't we? Right, let me get cleared up guys and I'll be back. Right guys, so let's take all these out of the boxes. Right guys, I'm not going to swatch all of these because I have already got them. So this one, number 80 neon green, I have already got that, which is this colour. I think this is just a perfect colour for Halloween, isn't it? It's that kind of perfect slime green colour. Love it. And this one as well, number 85 charming red. I've already got that one, which is here again. Perfect colour for Halloween. Is that kind of blood red. I love that. Love them two together. I would have liked to have seen an orange, then it would have been kind of classic Halloween coloured box, wouldn't it? And this one, this is the stamping gel in chocolate. This is a no wipe gel. These are fantastic for just using as regular gel paints, especially if you want to put a shiny design on a matte background, because these are no wipe, which means they don't dry with a tacky layer. I'm not going to swatch that because I've already got that as well, which is this. Again, exactly what it says on the tin. It's just a perfect chocolate brown. I would have liked to have seen for a Halloween box maybe a black stamping gel. Not sure, but I suppose you could stamp in this. It is very, very dark brown. Not sure, but so I won't be swatching them three. I'm going to stick them three in my giveaway box. I will give these two a quick swatch because I haven't got these. So we've got number 29 girl pink. So I think this is going to make a nice base colour if you wanted to do a Halloween design using what's in this box. You're going to need a nice base colour. Oh, look at that. It's a really nice nude pink. Right, so let's get this swatched. Let me bring you in just a little bit now. Right, then we're going to do this one. So this is number 140 and it's called Bright Galaxy. Right guys, so that's all 5 of the solid, well, 4 including the stamping polish, which is that chocolate brown. That's those colours. So now we'll go on to these ones. So we have got a glow in the dark white, we've got an Aurora cat eye, and we've got number 32, which is dark green, which is one of their regular gels. So we'll start with the dark green. Nice kind of forest green, isn't it? Dark green, forest green. I like that. That's a nice green. I do like that. Right, we'll do the cat eye next. I'm going to save this glow in the dark till last. Look at this. It's kind of a bluey, purpley, black. It's like a chameleon colour. I'm going to paint the swatch stick black first, because a lot of these these cat eyes, they look so much better over a black. So let's just paint this swatch stick black quickly. Right, let's have a look at this. This looks nice. It's kind of got a chameleon look to it. Purple, green, black. It does look nice. This would be good for kind of galaxy nails as well. Let's just have a look at it, have a play with it. Yeah, so it's kind of got bluey green. I can see holographic running through it as well. Very nice cat eye. I do like it. So I'm just going to kind of leave it like that. We've kind of got purple, blue. Very nice. Right, and lastly, I'm going to do a full swatch of this white, glow in the dark white. Right, let's get that in the lamp and see how it glows. I hope it glows the blue that it's showing on the label. My favourite kind of glow. I'm not so keen on the standard kind of green glow in the dark. I love that glow where it's like electric blue. I'm hoping this is an indication of the colour it's going to glow. Right, so it has got that blue kind of glow. I can't get the room any darker than what it is because of the window, but it is that blue kind of glow. I love that. Right guys, so let me clear my desk off. I've made a bit of a mess today and I've not even started. I'm going to go and have something to eat quickly and have a think what I can do. I definitely want to do something glow in the dark and beginner friendly, so I'll be back.